even do the turkey! Hello everyone. So because we have so much leftover turkey, we're making a turkey pot pie today.
Never had one.
Haven't had one yet? Okay. Are you gonna go with the turkey? I never called you.
What call is that? A missed call from you.
Maybe it was from the other time I called you.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. What are you guys doing?
We're making food.
Making food? What kind of food are we making?
Surprise.
Okay.
Okay, don't come down.
No?
Not yet.
When you call me?
Yeah. Okay, love you.
Alright.
Bye. I never called him. I forgot to say the most important part. That we are making a homemade pastry.
Which we've also never done.
What are you measuring? Okay, tell me when you're dropping it in.
No. Got some julienne shoots there.
Yeah, okay. You're a crackhead for Julian.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe I should use a cutting board.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, can you pass me a cutting board?
It looks like cheese.
Good, how are you?
Are you guys making stuff?
Yeah.
Leftover,
Say hello.
yeah, come say hello.
Oh,
No! No, you already walked by. Hello. You know what I'm thinking? Straining this and making a roux.
Yeah, you should.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. How does it smell like turkey? The stock.
Wait, that's supposed to go in there?
Oh, okay. I think you should give me some of the, like, give me the jar too, to like fit to.
What? A jar, gravy?
Yeah. To fit it out. So.
And you say that I don't complete my stories.
And the veggies.
Okay, here, I'll hold something.
I won't hold everything.
No, just
Oops, we made a mess.
okay, you got it.
Wait, you thought the wooden spoon would catch on fire?
Yeah, I thought it would have fallen in.
You know what? I just realized this might be a lot of filling.
We didn't even do the turkey!
Oh my god, the turkey's supposed to go. Well, yeah, but it could be the last step since it's already cooked.
Okay.
But like, look at this. Like, why do we always do this? This is our last time. Anastasia about?
Shout out to Courtney again. She brought us her homemade shortbread cookies the other day, and then today.
This was gonna hit you.
No, and then today, Yoshibel dropped off her tiramisu. So we're gonna try it.
Yoshibel dropped off Courtney's tiramisu, so shout out to both of them.
Yes, I'll link Yoshibel's channel in the description below.
And we'll link Courtney spiritually since she doesn't do anything.
What does it look like? Look at that. Yeah, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Smells like cake.
It's a tiramisu. You just offended all the bakers.
Ooh, it's creamy. It's really creamy.
I'm excited.
You're gonna like it.
I am.
How does this girl bake when she doesn't like sweet things? Can she refuse? Story time. Wait, what? You wanted to make your birthday cake?
Yeah, can you send more over? This is so good.
Okay, story time. I think it was for Christmas last year, and she definitely doesn't like chocolate. So she made chocolate chip cookies, but the way she likes it. So she literally put 1 chocolate chip per cookie. I was like, bro, these cookies are for us. We want chocolate chips. The cookie's really good. I'm just saying, you need more chocolate chips.
Well, thank you, Courtney, for watching. Thank you for the cookies and the tiramisu. It's really good. I'm so excited to eat the rest. Well, we gotta share with the parents, but...
Do we?
Yes, we do.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, I'm closing it up.
Top looks cooked. I don't know how you would know if the bottom's cooked.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's bad for the thing, but
I thought it would be bad.
probably. Alright, I need a plaque. This thing to cut good. I mean, if this is the top, but this is kind of like the side. All right, we need a spoon A. Potato tasted fine.
Okay.
We probably should have baked the bottom, but that's fine. Oh. If we weren't Master Chef, we would have gone home because you can taste the flour.
Oh, seriously? Oh my gosh. We tried our best.
If you eat the crust with the filling, it's fine.
Yeah.
But if you have to try the crust on its own, it tastes like flour. But
Oh, I see.
I see. I still think I need more seasoning.
I mean, yeah, but like, I think it's fine. I'm also very hungry, so I think it's fine. Would you ever make this again?
Yeah, it tastes good. I think I made it too liquidy at the end because I got scared it was too thick.
Uh-huh. Okay, well, we should end the video here. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. What should I comment?
What to do with leftovers?
What to do with leftovers. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.